Hey friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stamp, and I'm excited that you're here with me today. I have a crafty haul for you from my Black Friday purchases. So I only purchased from 3 places because I really tried to focus on either getting Christmas gifts or supplies that were like things I really needed for creating, not necessarily stamps and dies, if that makes sense. So like brushes and different things like that. There is a portion of this video that just has music to it because I had issues. I was able to record it, but then there's been some other issues with it. So it has music set to it, but you can see what I bought. And those items I bought from Spellbinders. And so I'll show you those. And then let's just get into what else I got. So I got some of these pens on Amazon. They were marked down, so I grabbed some. These are my favorite pens, and they just write in black, but they're different colors, and they had a set of like jewel tones. There's 2 more, but those are in my purse already. So I'll link to these below the video, but I love these pens, so I grabbed more of them. Then I placed an order with Altenew, and their packaging is always the best. I think it's just nope, that has my physical address on it. So I'm not gonna, put my physical address on display. Here's one of the things I got from Spellbinders. I got they had like a $100, it was $100, and it was their trimmer, their guillotine cutter, their big scissors, their small scissors. So I grabbed the bundle because it was like too good to pass up. Okay, so here's what I got from Altenew. I grabbed their set of 4 blending brushes. I love these blending brushes. These are their mini blending brushes. They come in a pack of 4, and then they had a set of 4 that was marked way down. So I got this because, why wouldn't you? So I grabbed these. I needed more of them. I just don't have a lot of them. I only have 8, I think. Then I also grabbed some of these. So these are their blending brushes that are like for detail, and they're angled. And I have found myself more than once needing a detailed angled brush, and I'm pretty sure these are all the same. Yeah, I just grabbed I grabbed 4 sets of them, so I would have 4 of these, 4 of the tiny ones, and 4 of these ones. I'll probably end up getting more later, but anyway, for now, that's what I grabbed. So I got those. So some of this stuff just probably isn't the most exciting because, like I said, I didn't focus on getting stamps and dies. I got this for free because I was watching Jennifer McGuire's, this was like a free gift from her Black Friday live event. If you used like a code to get these markers, you could get these markers, I think. God, I hope I'm remembering that correctly. So I got these because I am kind of interested in getting their alcohol artist markers. I already have two packs, so this is just adding on to my collection, but these were free. They didn't cost me anything. So I was gonna get the brushes anyway, so now I got more of their markers, and this is the Red Sunset. I would love to be able to just buy all of them, but can't. So there's that. And then this was another free gift, ultra sticky double-sided 1/4 inch tape. I'm really excited to have this. It's a huge roll. This was totally free with an order from them. I have the 1/8 of an inch from scrapbook.com, so I'm really excited to have this. And then I grabbed this. I did not realize, first of all, I really have this problem. I don't read. So I didn't realize this was 1 inch wide. I wanted the thinner one, but this will be fine. This is their masking tape that is repositionable. And I had no idea it was such a big roll. So I bought 2. So I'll have enough of this to last me for the next 10 years. Maybe I'll give this away in my Creative Vault. I do a giveaway in my Creative Vault every month. And so maybe I'll save this and I'll do this as part of my Creative Vault giveaway. Because this is huge. This is a huge roll. Let's see. But I'm excited to try it because I use Post-it note tape right now for like holding things in place, and it works fine. This reminds me of like, oh yeah. So this is like, feels like, I'm going to fold this under actually. This feels like washi tape is what it feels like. And it tears really easy, and it's repositionable. So you can just like hold your dies in place and then peel it up. Cool. So that's what I got from Altenew. And let's see, let's throw this bag away. I did grab one thing for my nails. I'm going to show that to you because you know I like to paint my own nails. So I grabbed one stamping plate from Maniology. You can't even see what it is, but it's like there's like Christmas trees, candy canes, snowflakes. So it's basically just a Christmas stamping plate. So anyways, and that's what I used when I do like the stamping on my nails. I use these. So I grabbed that. Really inexpensive. Got a good deal on that. Okay, and then I ordered from scrapbook.com. And there are some items in here that are part of a Christmas gift, but I'm not going to give you details on that Christmas gift. I'm actually going to do an entire video on the Christmas gift after Christmas because I can't risk the person who I'm getting this for knowing that I got it for them. And you'll know why later. There'll be a video, I promise. So, I'm not even going to tell you the item that's a Christmas gift. Just because. Okay. So, I got these for free. So, if you shop with scrapbook.com, they often do free gifts with your order. You have to go to the deals section, and this was one of their free gifts. They're a pair of scissors. I've always wanted to try these, but I've never wanted to spend the money on them. Let me get this open. Hold on. Don't worry, these are not ribbon scissors. I'm not cutting cardstock with ribbon scissors. Okay, so Jennifer McGuire actually used to use some scissors like these that were by Tim Holtz, and she said it like they felt really good in her hand. I don't know if I'm going to use these very much, but I was like, well, you know, you can never not have enough scissors. So there you go. So I got those and they were free. So hello, like, what am I going to say no? And then, okay, I got this magic mat for free. It is, I guess it's a magnetic. Is it magnetic? I'm reading it. I know a lot of you guys have these. I never bought one. This was a free gift. Oh, warping is normal and may be fixed carefully warming your magic mat, which allows the material to return to its normal shape. You can accomplish this with a heat tool, blah, 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 blah. It is important to use the right sandwich layering for your machine. Is it magnetic? Is that the deal? No, it's not magnetic. Maybe you guys can clue me in as to why this is. Well, there's a little QR code right here, so I'll look at that. Again, I didn't buy it, got it for free, so I really don't even know what the big deal is, but I do see you guys buying these, and I thought it was cute. It has the snowflakes on it, so you'll have to let me know. Okay, so I have an album that I'm going to be working on, so I grabbed some pages. I grabbed this guy, which is double-sided with some fun stuff. I grabbed this guy, and then I grabbed this guy. This was really why I went shopping to begin with. Well, this and the Christmas gift. But I could not buy it because it was half off. And so I was like, well, it's 50% off. Probably not going to find it 50% off again for a real long time. Yes, it is. It's the Big Daddy Tim Holtz trimmer. So let's check it out. What do we think? Okay. First, I want to know why we have, why do we have two blades? Do we take one off? Oh, interesting. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. 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 So there's an arm at the top and there's an arm at the bottom. It only goes to 12 inches, which do you really need more than that anyway? Okay. I like that there's an arm at the bottom. So if you're a bottom cutter, you're fine. If you're a top cutter, you're fine. I don't know. Are you a bottom cutter or top? I'm a top cutter. There are measurements in here. There's like 2 by 3.5, 2 by 3.5, 3 by 5. And then I guess when you cut, you push. What in the hell is happening here? Is there something in my... Oh, it's in this, it's in the way of this one. Okay, so, okay, I gotta get a piece of paper. I want to see what this is like. What's this scoop with this situation? So, you put it in. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. So it has these like springs right here. So this is never laying all the way down. So you push on it to cut. But I gotta tell you, it feels a little tight in the track. And why do I have two blades? I'm not sure about this, guys. I know why I have this one. This is a scoring blade, which I really like. Okay. I like having a scoring blade on my cutting tool. This blade moves nicely. So is there a difference? And how do I get them out? Okay, let's see. Let's look at the box. Okay, I guess I gotta go to timholtz.com because I don't know how the blades, because I would probably take one of these blades out, honestly. I don't know why I need two blades, unless you guys are gonna tell me there's some amazing reason I'm reading the instructions while I'm talking to you. Which probably isn't the best things to do. Okay, yeah, I don't see anything. So I'm going to do a little research because I don't really understand why there's two, and I don't see where you can like how do you get them out of there? Oh, just like that. Okay. Oh, this one moves much better. Is there something wrong with this blade in particular? I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay. Interesting. So if I... Okay, so now that's... Oh, that's moving better now too. Okay, maybe it was just in there funky. I don't know. Interesting. But I only want one in, so. Wow, they really, let's see. Yeah, they really pop in and out very easily. Okay. Okay. So I have this one, and then you'll see in the other part of my video, I now have both of these. I've got the Tim Holtz guillotine, and I've got this. This was an accident. let's not discuss it. Yeah, it was an accident. I didn't mean to get both of these. So, but I have them, so I'm going to use them both. And because I do this for a living, I feel like that's okay. And I'm going to put my extra blade in a safe spot right now. And so now I've got this one and I've got this one. So I've got the Spellbinders and this one. I mean, does it ever hurt to have two trimmers? I don't know. I don't think so. This is much bigger, like space-wise. It takes up much more space. This is much more compact. This is pretty much just like the Stampin' Up! One. I'm guessing that it's the same manufacturer. Because it's got like both the blades, and the blades are similar. So I think same. So yeah, we'll see. I'll use them both. You guys will see me using both of them in videos, and maybe after I've used them for a long time, I'll be able to give you a review on which one I think is better. Okay, so that's it. That is my entire haul from Black Friday. And yeah, I wish I could have spent a whole bunch of money buying a whole bunch of products, but I just didn't have it like that. So I did my darndest to support who I could and do a few things and get some stuff that I really had to have for continuing projects. Like the blending brushes, honestly, were like, this is the only ones I have that are small. This is it. And it's just not enough to fill out all of my colors. Like I need at least a light and a dark in each color. That's what I have found for myself. So like I need a dark green and a light green. I need a dark yellow and a light yellow to make like a full, to be able to do things well, basically. So anyway, but y'all, blending brushes are pricey. Yeah. So anyways, that's where we're at with that. Okay. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you for tuning in and watching for a few minutes and hanging out with me. And now I'm going to show you on screen really quick what I got from Spellbinders. The video will be sped up a little, and I'm going to put a little Christmas music to it so you can just see what it is. And that's it. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas season. I've got videos coming out all through to the end of the year. But I'm really not going to be working very much because my family's coming to visit from out of state. So I'm super excited about that. So you'll see pre-recorded stuff coming out, but that's it. After December 20th through like January 6th. So there'll be a few things, but there's not going to be a ton of content because, you know, honestly, it's that time of year. People aren't really watching a ton anyways. And it's okay for me to slow down and take a break this time of the year, right? Okay. I hope you're having an amazing day. Like I said 100 times, thank you for being here. Thanks for hanging out with me and spending time with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.